Years ago, Google AdSense, they didn't want you to share how many page views you needed or impressions to earn income. And I'm not going to jeopardize my account by showing you all the statistics, but I thought this video would be a motivator to show you that eventually, if you keep at it, you will start earning money. And it takes years to develop skills if you create something from nothing. If I created websites almost from scratch, and I use WordPress, and I'm the techie person, the creator, the developer, and that takes time to learn everything that you need to, but now I'm fast at it. I'm efficient, I'm fast, and I'm making it. So now I'm going to show you I'm going to show you statistics in the back end, but what I'm allowed to show you. And then I'm going to discuss something else that's linked to Google AdSense and Blogger and building a business and expanding. And they keep changing the rules in the middle of the game, but here we go. I'm going to show you something. I'm in the back end of my Google AdSense account, underneath the reports area. And you see I have it set for the last 30 days. I mean, for years, maybe I earned $10, well, I'll say $25 a year for years with Google AdSense from ads showing on my websites. Now, I'm not speaking about YouTube. Ads showing on my websites. I'm here. It's only going to get better. I can't show you how many page views or how many impressions the ads received, but I can show you the estimated earnings because every account's different. But I want you to see February 2nd, okay, nothing, but February 3rd, 2 cents, February 4th, 8 cents, the 5th, 11 cents, then the 6th, nothing. This is the start. I'm here now. This is it. I'm only going to get better. I'm only going to earn more money every day. February 7th, 11 cents, the 8th, 2, the 9th, 1, and the 10th, I had nothing. Then the 11th, 8, then the 12th, nothing. 13th, 3 cents, 14th, 1 cent, 15th, 6 cents. This is how it starts. And then you see 3 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent, 7 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent, 5 cents, 1 cent, 12 cents. 1, 8, 22, 13, 5, 59, 12. That's impressive. I'm only going to get better. I put together this blog in the past couple of months, and Google AdSense will not accept it. It's either too new, it's better content than my other blogs that have qualified over the years. They're like a joke compared to this one. However, I don't want to waste this content, and I really don't want to spend more time on it, adding more tabs, adding more posts. Most of this is original content. I did use, I spoke about these topics on myincomejob.com, and I used artificial intelligence to reword it. However, the intro to the post is original content. The content throughout the blog is original content. Just as an example, if I clicked here, yes, I did use artificial intelligence to spin this. I call it spinning, to rewrite it. However, I also tweaked it and added more originality to it. This isn't just whatever it suggested and I accepted it. This is quality work. What am I going to do with all this work that I spent time on? This is quality content. I don't want to waste this. I don't want to waste this, so I'm not. I'm not going to waste it. What am I going to do? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this content and I'm going to add it to myincomejob.com. Now, I could show you many reasons why they say that it don't meet the qualifications of approving to show ads on the blog. Um, I really believe it's too new, and I don't want to wait. That's number one. They have to. Oh, I just lost my train of thought. I don't want to waste this content. So, in the next couple of weeks, I will take a blog post and post it on myincomejob.com because oh, I lost my train of thought for a moment. Google, they want you to, instead of building a lot of replicated blogs or websites, they would prefer to see one quality, kick-ass website or blog. And that makes a lot of sense. So I'm not going to waste this content. I will add it to myincomejob.com. It's okay if I have a couple of posts or pages that speak about the same topic because it's going to get out there, but they would prefer the search engine, the Google search, and that goes for the other search engines too, like Bing. They want one substance website, a website filled with substance and a lot of quality content. This is quality. It's not there was no question about the quality of the content. It didn't qualify because it's very new and it's replicated. And with AI coming into play, they don't want that in their search engines. They've made a lot of changes on the back end that they're not even listing my videos that I worked hard on that are showing on myincomejob.com. When I could sit here and analyze and show you all the back end statistics, but they're making changes because those videos already show in the search engines because they're hosted on YouTube. So they have to prevent double posting of videos, double posting of websites, double posting of articles. When I first started, there was a lot of farms. They call them content farms. And people were banging out content and, probably earning about $500 a month, I would guess, or maybe more, of Adsense income. They're making it harder. They want people who develop skills, put together a solid platform, or building a legitimate business online. They want those kind of websites and blogs shown in the search engine. This is quality work, but I can't keep it. But I'm going to utilize it on myincomejob.com. Absolutely. It would be too hard for me to start right now another website. It's really not necessary. See how they're training me? They're training a lot of people that way. I could just continue to build on myincomejob.com and storebuy.shop and just go for it. So it's March. It's March. I say midsummer is very slow, so we'll say July. I'm hoping to earn $1 a day from Google AdSense ads showing on my websites. I feel that's a realistic goal. So let's see what happens. This is how you do it. They make changes so quickly, it's hard to keep up. It's a full-time job. That's exactly what it is. So until the next video clip, I hope you found that interesting, motivating. You can do it. I always knew I would get there. This has nothing to do with YouTube. This is all about showing ads on a couple of websites because they're not going to approve these quick blogs that I'm going to bang out. They're just not. Until the next video clip, have a good one, everybody. Bye for now.